PowerMill supports to create gun drilling toolpath with reduced feed rates in the intersection points. This retainer plate here having 24 mm diameter from the sides of the faces, and it is intersecting with these larger holes. Let us find out how to create for this gun drilling operation. First, we start from creating hole feature set by selecting the hole model. Right click over the hole feature set, click on create holes. Without enabling any of the checkbox here, apply it. Close the dialog box here. Let me switch off my shading for a while. If you look at the side holes, it is fragmented because it is intersecting with the bigger hole. So let's clear this rest of the holes and keep the side holes from one side and also the intersecting holes. Select these side holes here and select the intersecting holes. Right click over the selected holes and invert selection and delete these unwanted holes here. Now find the width of this plate. It is 1219.2 mm. So select these side holes and right click over that and say edit holes and specify the depth as same here and apply. Let's find out the intersections between these holes. So activate the feature set here and right click over that hole feature set and click on find hole intersections. Now you can able to see the intersecting holes having more lines comparing to the other area. Let's start creating the gun drilling toolpath. Go to the tools, drilling, select the drilling option here. From this form, select the tool first. So I already pre-created a 24 mm diameter here. From this, I selected single pick as my cycle type. And if you come under the feed rate intersection page, make the checkbox on for hole intersection and specify the distance of 20 mm here. Means, so it will start reducing the feed rate from 20 mm away from this intersecting hole and in the number of 5 steps, and once it reach before the 5 mm of this particular holes, it's completely reduced to 50% of the feed rate mentioned in our toolpath. Also reduced to 30% of the spindle speed. If you see under the speed and feed page, our actual spindle speed is 1500 and my cutting feed is 1000. Select the holes, go under the selection filter option, select the diameter and calculate the toolpath. If you look at the toolpath very closely, so I'm turn my feed rate option. So what is happening here? As we mentioned, it starts the feed rate reduction slowly from 20 mm away from this hole and it's reducing till 5 mm, and once it meets the 5 mm distance, it completely reduced to our 50% feed rate, and once it crossed the hole from the 5 mm, then it is slowly increasing the feed up to 20 mm distance, then it is going to the normal feed rate. This toolpath is more safe, particularly when you are finding intersections of holes